first edition of Beat Your Meat. My name is Jason Brooks, and today I'll be preparing a ribeye steak with a French cream pepper sauce. These are the things you're gonna need for this recipe. You need a 16-ounce ribeye, cast iron skillet, salt and pepper, cream, and butter. Okay, first things first, I've preheated my oven to 500 degrees, and I've oiled up my cast iron skillet. Now we gotta get the meat. This is a USDA prime cut ribeye. See all the fatty in there? It's beautiful. First things first, you always have to season your meat. I got my salt and my pepper and season it generously. That looks enough salt on that side. Pepper, flip it over, season the other side. Again, don't skip on the seasoning. Bringing love to the meat. All right, first thing we want to do is we want to sear our steak. Get your skillet nice and hot. Want to hear this baby sizzle. Not too long, maybe a minute on each side. Get a good crust on it. Sear the juices into the meat. All right, that side should be pretty well done. We're gonna flip her over. Sear the other side. Now normally I'd be cooking this on a barbecue, but the key to the sauce is the fat from the meat that ties everything together. So we're gonna take this, once it's seared on both sides, we're gonna put it in a 500-degree oven, and we're gonna cook it for exactly 10 minutes. All right, it's seared. Now into the oven. So the big key to this recipe is using the fat from the steak. So we're going to remove the steak. We're going to let it rest. And then we can start working on our cream sauce. Start with a couple pads of butter. Add some extra fat in there. Do not use margarine, butter. Now, we're going to add a healthy amount of pepper. And then cream. You can put over medium heat and then just whisk it until it thickens. Sometimes I like to throw a dash of salt in just for flavor. Okay. All right, bring in the hogs. First thing we need to do is cleanse their palates. And my hogs like whiskey. And free food.
And free food.
Perfect. Slice it up. Okay, then we're gonna drizzle it. Perfectly cooked. Now let's see if Dozer likes it, because Dozer's gotta like everything we eat. You ready, Dozer?
As good as you said it was.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's really good.
Like that?
That's
Yeah.
terrific too.
It's a penny dropper, Jack.
Yeah.
Servo! Hey, Servo!
Did you make it?
Yep.
Yep.
Sorry I'm late.
You don't know how sorry you are.
Your meal has been eaten.
That's alright. I didn't expect anything less from them.
Right.
That motherfucker did it? I don't even know that fucker.
That's CJ. That's his oldest.
I know how you do it, CJ.
We're gonna get the three of you guys walking down the street. No, it was back from the other team.
With the hurricanes on. I would say that. Wow. But it's on the screen. It's right there. Fired in drinking.
So, let me introduce you to our Beat Your Meat groupies.
Hello. Hello. It smells amazing in here.
These women love their meat.
It is very good. Have had it several times. One of my favorites that Jason cooks.
Yes. Oh my gosh. And these taste testers are proof that it's an amazing meal. Everybody should have it. Every man should cook it for their wife.
Absolutely.
Or significant other.
Yes.